Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to trade after hours using Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Robinhood application, right? Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, that about downloading, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Just to know. So then you would like to go, as we said, to sign in to create your account if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, look into your account, and let's just get straight into the tutorial. So here, as you can see, we have like to enter our pin code. So if it's your first time opening the application, they will not even ask you to do that, but in the second time opening the application, they will ask you to set a pin code. Then they will ask you to enter it every time you enter the application. So for me, my pin code is 4 zeros. Then that will actually takes you into the home or the main screen of the application. So as you can see, or before start using the application, you would like to verify your account. You'll find a video on how to do that in our channel. Then add fund to your account. If you didn't do those two, you will not be able to use your accounts properly. You will not have the full options. You will not be able to invest or do anything on the Robinhood application if you didn't do that. Okay, clear? So let's just get back into our tutorial on how to trade after hours. So let's just tell you that traditionally the markets are open from the 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. ET during normal business days. With extended hours trading, you can also trade during pre-markets and after hour sessions. So pre-markets is available 2.5 hours earlier, starting at 7 a.m. ET, and after hour trading continues for more hours until 8 p.m. So ET, of course. So that's an extra 6.5 hours of trading every single day. So here is the breakdown. Let me just tell you that pre-market hours from 7 to 9:30 a.m. ET. Regular market hours from 9:30 a.m. Of course, the 30 is minutes. EM to 4 p.m. AT, and after hours is from 4 to 8 p.m. AT. So during the extended hour session, the price shown as stocks detail page and the stock's last trade price on the Nasdaq stock markets. Orders made outside markets hours are and extend hours trading are queued for the start of the next regular market session according to your instructions. So let me just tell you that certain markets support broader extended hours, of course. So you will ask me, how do I know this information? It's actually from the Robinhood website. They have a website, they share this information in. So where you can actually find that, let me just go here to the search option. So you can search that on actually here, robinhood.com/us/en/support, and you will find the whole informations there. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.